Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo. You have to start by open settings. After that go to connected devices or Bluetooth and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here we have it. So to enable it you need to tap at the slider near to it. But this feature not available on Apple devices, so if you have iPhone you cannot find it. And if you have like not Android phones have it, so you may haven't this feature also on your Android phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.